Welcome my people, this BM Africa, typical village boy born and raised in northern part of Kenya. Yeah, I want to show you guys today this structure I fabricated. Yeah, this is a roofing, you see the roofing? So the roof, the mabatis are there, up there, and that one down there we put a ceiling board, yeah. So this runners here down, uh, 25 by 25 millimeters. That's a that's a that's for the what do you call this, man? Ceiling, yeah. After ceiling, yes, you see this hotel. This a hotel room, like you see here. This will be a kitchen, and this service area. See, so there's a lot coming, a lot is coming, man. Yeah, a lot is coming, man. Okay, just say by yourselves. This is a typical village boy in the house. After this job was done during night, see, it was during night. So the only thing is left here is just some windows, and this window is for the windows is for the other side. So I want to take this photo to show my work. Yeah, this is a typical village boy, guys.